one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. I see a dark, cloudy sky, a day that has been dreary and dull, and it's felt as if the best has passed, as if there is not much more to look forward to. But I see a change as the sun begins to set. The sky is lit up and transformed completely. For the Lord says, this is not the end of your story. Even now I'm about to do something beautiful and fresh, beautiful and new. For I am the one who is writing the story of your life, a story of transformation and change, a story of new opportunities and new beginnings. I'm bringing beauty, the beauty of my promises, the beauty of a new beginning, for I am the one who is reviving you and the one who is renewing you. I'm at work, and I'm not finished yet. I'm at work, and I'm bringing forth the surprises of my spirit, the surprises and the blessings of heaven. I am the Lord who has called and chosen you, the Lord who is guiding and leading you by my hand. I make all things new. I make all things beautiful. Do not be afraid, but approach me with confidence. Draw near in faith. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.